Did you know you can make one part of your model when you're 3D printing significantly stronger than the rest of your part? Most people just bump up the infill and they're wasting time and filament. But if you're using Bambu Studio, there's a built-in feature that could add strength only where you want it. I'm Brian DeLuca, and this is Make or Build It, where we turn ideas into projects. Let's take a look at how to make part of your model stronger with using a modifier. So we're going to import a drone I designed, and let's just slice it real quick and look at the current infill. It's set at grid at 15%. And if you see here, you can see in the arms, there is the space where the infill is there, right? Where we only have about 15% infill. Now, we want those arms to be a little bit stronger, but we don't want to add a lot of weight to the drone itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a modifier to the drone arms in order to make those stronger. So we're going to right click on the drone and we're going to add a modifier. In this case, we're going to add a cylinder, because it's always best to choose the shape that most fits the part you want to cover. And in this case, it's a cylinder. We probably could have used a square also, or a cube, I should say, but we're using a cylinder here. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to manipulate the cylinder so it covers the drone arms. And we want to make sure it covers the whole thing in order to make sure the whole arm is a completely solid infill. So once we get that set up, we click on the cylinder and we're going to change that to 100% infill. It's going to change it to rectilinear so it can be 100%. And we're also going to give it 3 walls so the arms are a bit stronger. After we slice it, we're able to see that one drone arm has 100% infill where the other ones are still at a 15% infill. Going to go back and we're going to clone this cylinder and cover the other 3 arms. Once that's done, we're going to slice it again, and as you can see now, all 4 arms have a completely solid infill while the rest of the drone body is at 15%, making it much lighter. Now, there are a number of ways to do modifiers in Bambu Studio, as well as other slicer software. But the modifiers are one of those Bambu Studio features that are often overlooked. But once you start using modifiers, you'll find yourself using them all the time. If you found this trick helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you follow for other Bambu Studio tips and tricks. For more on 3D printing, DIY, or make projects, make sure you like and follow Make or Build It, and remember, keep on making. We're back from vacation, and next week we are back to full videos. Oh, and remember, the strongest prints aren't the ones with the most material. They're the ones with material in the right place.